and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to Mexico City. We'll be just a few minutes taxiing in, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we've arrived at the gate and the engines have been shut down. As you leave the aircraft, please be sure to check around your seating area and in the overhead compartments for everything you may have brought on board with you. Please be careful as you open the overhead compartments. Items have shifted en route and we think of anyone injured by something falling from overhead. Just a couple of items. Please be sure that you completely filled out your Mexican customs and immigration forms and have them ready to present to those officials as you pass through the customs facility this afternoon. Also, you might want to take along those headsets that we gave you. You'll be able to use those on another Delta flight. I'd like to thank all of you for joining us today. We hope you've enjoyed the flight. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks again and good afternoon.
Señoras y señores, bienvenidos a la Ciudad de México, hora local, aproximadamente las 2:33 minutos. El capitán solicita que para su propia seguridad